Play. I play football every weekend. I play football every weekend. I played football yesterday. I played football yesterday. I live in London. I live in London. I lived in London last year. I lived in London last year. Work. I work at a hospital. I work at a hospital. I worked at a hospital last month. I worked at a hospital last month. Study. I study English every day. I study English every day. I studied English last night. I studied English last night. Cook. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. I cooked dinner yesterday. I cooked dinner yesterday. Watch. I watch TV in the evening. I watch TV in the evening. I watched TV last night. I watched TV last night. Walk. I walk to school every morning. I walk to school every morning. I walked to school yesterday. I walked to school yesterday. Visit. I visit my grandmother every Friday. I visit my grandmother every Friday. I visited my grandmother last week. I visited my grandmother last week. Read. I read books before bed. I read books before bed. I read a book yesterday. I read a book yesterday. Write. I write emails at work. I write emails at work. I wrote emails yesterday. I wrote emails yesterday. Drive. I drive to work every day. I drive to work every day. I drove to work yesterday. I drove to work yesterday. Listen. I listen to music at night. I listen to music at night. I listened to music last evening. I listened to music last evening. Eat. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I ate breakfast yesterday morning. I ate breakfast yesterday morning. Go. I go to the gym every week. I go to the gym. Every week. I went to the gym last week. I went to the gym last week. Buy. I buy groceries on Sundays. I buy groceries on Sundays. I bought groceries yesterday. I bought groceries yesterday. Teach. I teach mathematics at school. I teach mathematics at school. I taught mathematics last year. I taught mathematics last year. Sleep. I sleep early every night. I sleep early every night. I slept early yesterday. I slept early yesterday. Wear. I wear a blue jacket to work. I wear a blue jacket to work. I wore a blue jacket yesterday. I wore a blue jacket yesterday. Open. I open the shop at 9 a.m. I open the shop at 9 a.m. I opened the shop yesterday. I opened the shop yesterday. Call. I call my friend every weekend. I call my friend every weekend. I called my friend yesterday. I called my friend yesterday. Help. I help my parents at home. I help my parents at home. I helped my parents last weekend. I helped my parents last weekend. Wash. I wash my car every month. I wash my car every month. I washed my car last Saturday. I washed my car last Saturday. Learn. I learn new words every day. I learn new words every day. I learned new words yesterday. I learned new words yesterday. Meet. I meet my friends after school. I meet my friends after school. I met my friends yesterday. I met my friends yesterday. Swim. I swim in the pool every summer. I swim in the pool every summer. I swam in the pool last summer. I swam in the pool last summer. Travel. I travel to different cities. I travel to different cities. I traveled to Paris last year. I traveled to Paris last year. Paint. I paint pictures in my free time. I paint pictures In my free time. I painted a picture yesterday. I painted a picture yesterday. Sing. I sing songs in the shower. I sing songs in the shower. I sang songs yesterday. I sang songs yesterday. Send. I send messages to my brother. I send messages to my brother. I sent messages yesterday. I sent messages yesterday. Take. I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work. I took the bus yesterday. I took the bus yesterday. Use. I use my laptop every day. I use my laptop every day. I used my laptop last night. I used my laptop last night. Make. I make tea every morning. I make tea every morning. I made tea this morning. I made tea this morning. Speak. I speak English with my teacher. I speak English with my teacher. I spoke English yesterday. I spoke English yesterday. Water. I water the flowers every evening. I water the flowers every evening. I watered the flowers yesterday evening. I watered the flowers yesterday evening. Feed. I feed my cat every morning. I feed my cat every morning. I fed my cat this morning. I fed my cat this morning. Ride. I ride my bicycle in the park. I ride my bicycle in the park. I rode my bicycle yesterday. I rode my bicycle yesterday. Play. I play video games after school. I play video games after school. I played video games yesterday. I played video games yesterday. Visit. I visit the library every month. I visit the library every month. I visited the library last week. I visited the library last week. Answer. I answer emails quickly. I answer emails quickly. I answered emails yesterday. I answered emails yesterday. Dance. I dance at parties. I dance at parties. I danced at a party last weekend. I danced at a party. Last weekend. Enjoy. I enjoy sunny weather. I enjoy sunny weather. I enjoyed the weather yesterday. I enjoyed the weather yesterday. Fix. I fix computers at work. I fix computers at work. I fixed a computer yesterday. I fixed a computer yesterday. Join. I join online classes every week. I join online classes every week. I joined an online class yesterday. I joined an online class yesterday. Carry. I carry a backpack to school. I carry a backpack to school. I carried a backpack yesterday. I carried a backpack yesterday. Practice. I practice piano every evening. I practice piano every evening. I practiced piano last night. I practiced piano last night. Shop. I shop at the supermarket every Friday. I shop at the supermarket every Friday. I shopped at the supermarket yesterday. I shopped at the supermarket yesterday. Talk. I talk to my neighbors every day. I talk to my neighbors every day. I talked to my neighbors yesterday. I talked to my neighbors yesterday. Enjoy. I enjoy reading newspapers. I enjoy reading newspapers. I enjoyed reading newspapers last week. I enjoyed reading newspapers last week.